Yard Online. Training Yard Online.
All right, today's workout is a fun team workout. In this team workout, we will be working with teams of 3. And in this workout, it is going to be a Conga style workout. It's going to be so much fun. All right, let's talk about the flow of the workout. You're going to have 3 7-minute AMRAPs. We're going to go ahead and be moving through the first AMRAP as a team of 3. 3, 2, 1, go. As many rounds as possible in 7 minutes. Teammate 1 will get on the bike. They're going to go ahead and go 10 or 7 calories on the bike erg. If you don't have a bike erg, go ahead and use an assault bike, rower, ski erg, whatever you want, whatever machine, you got it. Even a runner if you got a runner. But we're going to do 10 or 7 calories on the bike erg. And then I'm immediately going to my first movement in this workout, which will be 5 burpees over a line. You'll be line facing, your hands behind the line. We're going to jump over the line, and we're going to go ahead and complete 5 of those. Now, it's a Conga style workout, meaning the second I finish my calories, I'm going to get off and do my burpees. As soon as I'm done with the bike, teammate number 2 gets on and starts. They don't need to wait for me to complete a full round. Okay, so as soon as I'm done with the bike, I get off. Teammate 2 resets the bike and starts for their 10 or 7 calories. If I'm still doing burpees, when they're done, they must wait for me to go ahead and start their burpees. And that also means teammate 3 has to wait until the teammate 2 gets off the bike. But 5 burpees takes pretty quick. So if partner or teammate 2 is done with their calories and I'm done with my burpees, they can go ahead and start their burpees. Teammate 3 gets on the bike, resets the bike, and starts their calories. And we're going to be doing this Conga style for that full 7 minutes. Now, teammate 1, once they do calories on the bike and their burpees, that's 1 round. Teammate 2, when they do their calories and their burpees, that's another round, which means we've completed 2 rounds. Teammate 3, when they do their calories and their burpees, they've done a round, and that means we get 3 rounds. And we're going to do as many rounds as we can in that first couplet, okay, that first 7 minutes. So let's say we got 10 full rounds plus 3 extra reps, okay? So that's going to be that first segment. Now, once that 7 minutes is up, we're going to go ahead and go into the next 7 minutes. The calories and the format of Conga style is not going to change. 10 and 7 calories, but now we're moving over to the box. We're going to go ahead and do some box get overs, okay? You can get over however you'd like. So you're going to do 10 or 7 calories. Then you're going to the box where you'll go ahead and do a box jump and step down, or a step up and step down. We're going to go ahead and complete 5 of those. If you jump, you can stay low. If you step up, you must stand all the way up to do that full rep. Same format. We're going for 7 minutes. Let's just say in this one, my group, my team, got 11 plus 5. Okay, we're going to write it down and continue on to the third section. Third section, 7-minute clock, as many rounds as possible of 10 or 7 calories on the bike, followed by 5 burpee box overs. That's right, we're going to do a burpee facing the box, and you're going to get over the box however you want. If you jump, you can stay low. If you step up, you must stand all the way up and get over. You're going to do 5 of those. Same format as we talked about in the beginning, Conga style. We're going to move through that, okay? So say in this one, I go ahead and I get 9 rounds plus 1 extra rep. So that's going to be my 3 sections. 21 minutes is a hit on the clock, the workout is over. How we'll score it for our teammates, we'll go ahead and write it down. We'll total up the number of full rounds, which in this case is going to be 30, plus any extra change over here of reps will be the number of reps here, and we're running it down. So in my example, my team has completed 30 total rounds plus 9 reps, and that will be our score for the day. This workout is going to be fast, so it's time to go ahead and get ready to grit your teeth and grind. It's going to be a lot of fun because you have 2 times the amount of rest to that 1 time of effort, and that's going to make it so much more manageable to keep the intensity nice and high and push for your team. All right, so this workout is going to be a lot of fun. Go ahead, get a good team, and get after it.